I slept all night on a big white ship. Seagulls were dancing all around. I woke up with a sunrise on the sea. Such a priceless gift to me. The salty breeze and the waves, the slow pace, the salty breeze and the waves. I'm at a right place.
Hello there, friends. Good day, good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Oh, wow, today it's a Colorado riverfront day. The sun is going down. Lots of nuts out here. Oh man, it's hard to take the shots. But here we are, my friends. It's a little different location for your viewing pleasure. We may run inside. Hopefully we find an outdoor patio for a little light dinner. But here I am. I'll just show you around. Importantly, at this time of the year, where you would normally have a lot of water sporting activities, due to the COVID thing, a lot of these activities has ceased. But at least I get to come as close as possible to water. And coming from the Caribbean, I cherish water. Wow. So here we are. So my friends, so just a little tidbit while I give you the view here about the Laughlin. Laughlin, it's a town founded in the 1940s. Originally, it's only one motel and a bar when this town was founded. During that time, being a mining town, this was founded for basically the miners who was mining gold and silver. Pursuant to that, it was also to build, for workers building the Davis Dam, which is about 10 miles north of here. So this has come a long way since then. I would call it the mini Las Vegas. It's about, I would say, about an hour and a half from Las Vegas. Here you'll find many casinos and a very robust place for water activities. Of course, this is the same Colorado River that flows down to the Hoover Dam and Lake Mead, the life source of Las Vegas. It's beautiful. As I mentioned, you will always find me on the edge of water. This will never take the place of the Caribbean. But it shall soothe my soul because it's water. Okay, my friends, so this is where I wrap it up. Guess what? I was in luck tonight. I was playing next door at the Aquarius. I down to my last 2 coins, and that's the beauty with luck. Down to my last 2 coins. I rack up 450 coins, which gives me about $112. So it was a was a ride worth it coming down here to Laughlin. Fun place to hang out. We came a little bit too late tonight, so there was not a lot to do. And the one thing that we're looking forward to was to find an outdoor restaurant, which was not attainable. Plus, there's a lot of gnats flying around on the walkway, which makes it very uncomfortable, plus the humidity. But nonetheless, I was able to enjoy a moment along the river, and I hope you enjoy the view as well. So my friends, until next time, wrapping up from Laughlin, on the move as always. This is your Jamaican on the move, saying one love, peace. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, peace. Love you, my friends.